Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. There's another video for my pedestrian tunnel project. I'm a CDOT approved water mitigation company. We use some FX-764 on this. It'll take a couple more passes, but this water was just pouring in, just flooding this place. See over here? Already got this one stopped and grouted. Got that guy stopped. See, there's no leaking. We're gonna get him grouted. Once I make a few more passes here, we'll get this guy done. It's Jade Alpine. You can follow this project and over 2,000 others on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. I'll see you guys on the next video.